Okay guys, so this stunning table has just had its final top coat. We've used Resinzwood ultra fast resin and just going over and flame torching it now. Now this room is currently sitting in 24 degrees Celsius. It's very low humidity in here, and that's how we get perfect results. So if you're going to have, go do top coating in your tables, you want to make sure your room is 22 to 24 Celsius, maybe a bit hotter, that's fine, but you definitely don't want to go much lower than that. So just look at the clarity of this table, it's absolutely stunning. This is made by one of my clients, AJ, and he's done an exceptional job. Absolutely stunning and elegant layout. Actually, he's really lucky to find this slab of timber. It's just so unique, and it's allowed him to create some really amazing little pockets with power shell and other stones in it. And overall, this piece is going to be absolutely stunning for his client or friend. And look at the side there, guys. 100% perfect. Look, you're looking in maybe about 200 mils, and here you're looking in 300 to 400 mils from the end, and you can see the stones. That's how good the ocean cast epoxy is. Resinzwood ocean cast epoxy, Resinzwood ultra fast, and this is how you get perfect results.